Hello, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. This is your simple and practical guide to learning real American English. I am your host, and I am a native English speaker here to help you speak confidently. If you are a beginner, or if you want to improve your daily English conversation skills, you are in the right place. Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about something we do almost every day. We are going to talk about ordering coffee. For many English learners, ordering food or drinks can be scary. You might worry, will I understand the cashier? Will I say the right words? What if I make a mistake? Do not worry. In this English podcast for beginners, we will practice together. We will learn easy English phrases for the coffee shop. We will learn how to order, how to pay, and how to say thank you. I will speak slow English so you can understand every word. This is English listening practice designed just for you. By the end of this episode, you will feel ready to walk into any coffee shop in the United States and order your favorite drink like a local. So, find a comfortable place. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath, and let's start learning. First, let's talk about the situation. Imagine you are standing in a coffee shop. You see the menu on the wall. You smell the coffee beans, and you hear the music playing. You walk to the counter. The person working there is called a barista or a cashier. The first thing they will say is a greeting. They might say, "Hi, how are you?" Or they might say, "What can I get for you today?" This is a very common question in daily English conversation. What can I get for you simply means, what do you want to buy? Now it is your turn to speak. When we order in English, we want to be polite. We do not just say, coffee. That's too short, and it can sound rude. Instead, we use polite phrases. The most common phrase in real American English is, can I get? Listen again. Can I get? For example, can I get a coffee, please? Or, can I get a tea, please? Another polite phrase is, I would like. I would like a coffee, please. Both of these phrases are perfect and very easy to use. Now, let's talk about the size of your drink. In the United States, we usually have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Small is the little cup, medium is the middle size, and large is the big cup. When you order, you should say the size first. Can I get a small coffee, please? Can I get a medium coffee, please? Can I get a large coffee, please? Next, let's talk about the temperature. Do you want it hot or do you want it cold? If you want it cold, we call it iced. Listen closely. Not ice coffee, but iced coffee with a D sound at the end. Iced coffee. So, if you want a cold drink, you say, can I get an iced coffee, please? If you want a hot drink, you can say, can I get a hot coffee, please? Usually, if you just say coffee, the barista will think you want hot coffee.
But if you want cold coffee, you must say iced. Now, let's put the size and the temperature together. This is how we build a sentence in easy English. Can I get a medium iced coffee, please? Can I get a large hot coffee, please? Take your time with this. The order is usually size, then temperature, then drink. Medium, iced, coffee. Small, hot, tea. Large, iced, latte. Now, the barista might ask you another question. They might ask, do you want room for cream? Or they might ask, do you take milk or sugar? Room for cream means, do you want empty space at the top of your cup so you can add milk yourself? If you say yes, they will not fill the cup to the top. If you say no, they will fill it to the top. If you want them to put the milk in for you, you can ask for it. You can say, with milk, please, or with sugar, please, or with milk and sugar, please. In modern coffee shops, there are many types of milk. You have regular milk, which comes from a cow, but you also have oat milk, almond milk, or soy milk. If you cannot drink dairy, you might say, can I get that with oat milk? Or, can I get that with almond milk? This is very common in real American English conversation. After you order your drink, the barista will ask a very important question. They will ask for here or to go. Listen again. For here or to go. For here means you will stay in the coffee shop, sit at a table, and drink your coffee there. To go means you will take the coffee with you, maybe to your car or to your office. So you simply answer, for here, please, or to go, please. Finally, it is time to pay. The barista will tell you the price. That will be $5, or your total is $5.50. You can pay with cash, which is paper money and coins, or you can pay with card, which is a credit card or debit card. If you want to use your card, you can ask, do you take card? Or, can I pay by card? Usually, the answer is yes. After you pay, they might ask, can I have a name for the order? They want your name so they can write it on the cup. You just say your first name. My name is Sarah. It's for John. Then you wait. When your coffee is ready, they will call your name. Order for Sarah. You take your drink, smile, and say, thank you. Have a nice day. This is the whole process. It is simple, right? You do not need big words. You just need the right steps. Now, let's move to the next part of our lesson. We are going to do some interactive practice. This is the most important part of your English listening practice. I will say a phrase, I will pause, and then I want you to repeat it. Say it out loud. Speak to the room. Speak to your car. Do not be shy. Repeating is how you train your mouth to speak real American English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listen first, then repeat. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? What can I get for you? What can I get for you? Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a coffee, please? I would like a tea, please. I would like a tea, please. Can I get a small coffee? Can I get a small coffee? Can I get a medium coffee? Can I get a medium coffee? Can I get a large coffee? Can I get a large coffee? Can I get an iced coffee, please? Can I get an iced coffee, please? Can I get a hot coffee, please? Can I get a hot coffee, please? With milk, please. With milk, please. With sugar, please. With sugar, please. With oat milk, please. With oat milk, please. Room for cream, please. Room for cream, please. No room, thank you. No room, thank you. For here, please. For here, please. To go, please. To go, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Do you take cash? Here is $5. Here is $5. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Very good job. Now let's try some longer sentences. This is to help you practice the rhythm of slow English. Listen carefully. Can I get a medium iced coffee with oat milk, please? I would like a large hot tea to go, please. Can I have a small latte for here, please? Your total is $4.50. Excellent. Do not worry if you are not perfect. The goal is to try. The goal is to practice.
Every time you repeat, your brain remembers the words better. This is how babies learn language, and this is how you will learn English. Now, I want to tell you a story. Stories are the best way to remember new vocabulary. I will tell you a story about a man named Tom. Tom is visiting New York City. He wants to buy a coffee. Listen to the story. Listen for the words we just practiced. Relax and just listen. It is a sunny morning in New York City. Tom is walking down the street. He is tired. He needs some energy. He sees a small coffee shop on the corner. The sign says, City Cafe. Tom opens the door and walks inside. The coffee shop smells wonderful, like fresh roasted beans and sweet sugar. There is a short line. Tom waits in line for 2 minutes. Now it is his turn. He walks to the counter. The barista is a friendly woman with glasses. She smiles at Tom and says, "Hi there, how are you doing today?" Tom smiles back. He says, "I am good, thank you. How are you?" The barista says, "I'm great, thanks. What can I get for you?" Tom looks at the menu board. He wants a cold drink because it is sunny outside. He remembers his English practice. He says, "Can I get a medium iced coffee, please?" The barista nods her head. She asks, "Do you want any milk or sugar in that?" Tom thinks. He likes his coffee sweet. He says,
Yes, please. Can I get milk and 2 sugars? The barista types the order into the computer. Then she asks, for here or to go? Tom wants to walk in the park, so he says, to go, please. The barista says, okay, that will be $4.25. Tom takes out his wallet. He has a $20 bill, but he also has his credit card. He decides to use his card. He asks, do you take card? She points to the machine. Yes, you can tap it right there. Tom taps his card on the machine. It makes a beep sound. The barista says, can I get a name for the order? Tom says, Tom. Okay, Tom, we will have that ready for you at the end of the counter. Tom walks to the end of the counter and waits. He watches the other people in the shop. Some people are typing on laptops, some are talking to friends. After 1 minute, another barista calls out, medium iced coffee for Tom. Tom walks up. He takes the cold cup. It feels nice and cool in his hand. He says, thank you very much. The barista says, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Tom says, you too. He walks out of the door, takes a sip of his coffee, and smiles. He ordered his coffee in English, and it was easy. Did you understand the story? Did you hear the phrases we practiced? Let's think about what Tom said. He used the phrase, can I get? He ordered a medium iced coffee. He asked for milk and sugar. He said to go, and he paid with card. This is a perfect example of a daily English conversation. It happens thousands of times every day in America, and now you know exactly what to do. If you go to New York, or Los Angeles, or London, you can be just like Tom. You can walk in, order, pay, and enjoy your drink. We are coming to the end of our episode now. I hope this English podcast for beginners has helped you. I hope you feel a little more confident. Remember, learning a language takes time. It is not a race. It is a journey. Be patient with yourself. For your homework this week, I have a small challenge for you. If you live in an English-speaking country, go to a coffee shop tomorrow. Order something simple, maybe just a tea or a black coffee. Use the phrase, can I get? If you do not live in an English-speaking country, you can still practice. Stand in front of a mirror, pretend you are Tom, look at yourself and say, can I get a medium coffee, please? Do this 5 times every morning. Your mouth needs to get used to the shapes of English words. Also, please listen to this episode again. Repetition is the key to success. Listen while you wash the dishes, listen while you drive, listen while you walk. The more you listen, the more natural it will become. Thank you so much for listening to the English Learning Podcast today. Thank you for letting me help you with your daily English conversation. If this episode was helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, you help us create more free lessons for people around the world. And leave a comment below. Tell me, do you like coffee or tea? I read every comment and I love to hear from you. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. You are doing a great job. Until next time, have a wonderful day and happy learning. Goodbye for now.